How to fix TikTok live option not showing after 1K followers. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First and foremost, make sure that you have updated your app. Head over to Play Store and search for TikTok. In case you see update sign here, tap on update. Once done, tap on open and make sure that you are logged into your account. Then go onto your profile on your bottom right. Just take a screenshot of your page. Now go ahead and tap on 3-bar icon on your top right. Tap on settings and privacy. Scroll all the way at the bottom of the page and tap on report a problem under support and about. Here tap on account and profile. Expand that option and tap on profile page. Tap on other. Tap on no. Here tap on view feedback. Then you will be directed towards this page. You're simply typing your issue that even though you have 1,000 followers, you're still not being able to go live. Once you do so, just tap on this photo icon and attach the screenshot that you just took. Once done, tap on submit. Then all you have to do is wait for their message in your system notification under your inbox. Once done, you will get a customized solution for your problem. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.